Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. Babes, today I thought I would try out another TikTok beauty hack. This one I saw also blew my mind. So I was like, wow, I need to try that out for myself with the beauties. Of course I have to take you guys along with me because it's no fun if you're not here. So anyway guys, I figured I would try it out. It is a TikTok makeup hack, a TikTok beauty hack, and so I'm gonna give it a try today guys and see if it works out for me like it did for the beauty who made the video. Her name is Mulch. I'm sorry, I believe she's Russian, so I'm gonna have it linked below. Mulch something MUA. So it was a very strange name. Well, not a strange name, but you know, it was very long and I couldn't say it. So anyway guys, let me show you exactly what it is. This is a nose contouring hack. So I will, you know, who doesn't need help with the nose contouring? It's always a struggle. So, you know, it's never the funnest of things in my opinion. So anyway guys, let me show you exactly how she did it, or I'm going to try to do it. I'm going to test it out and try to do it with you guys. And before we dive into today's video, if it's your first time here, hi, I'm Allegra. I hope you'll subscribe and join the fam. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It'll help me out so much. So without further ado, let's dive right into this TikTok beauty hacks video. So guys, this is gonna look very odd, but what the makeup artist did who created this hack is she took a tweezer. So the only tweezer I have here is this one from Anastasia. Well, actually I do have another one. I do have another one right here. I have two, but she actually used this to contour her nose. Have you beauty seen this video? It looked amazing. So I'm like, that's why I said, I need to try that for myself. So what she did is, and what you would do is if you want to try this, is you take the tweezer and then she ran it along her nose like so. I don't know guys. Yeah. Now my nose is kind of full, you know, it's bulbous. It's not that skinny. I think her nose was naturally skinnier and maybe fit right. Am I talking weird guys? I'm holding my nose down, my voice changed. Okay. It looked in the video, but you know, looks are deceiving, but it looked like, I feel like this isn't fitting my nose right. So, but I don't know guys. Anyway, let's just try it and see what happens. You know, I'm all about trying things and seeing what happens. So go ahead now if you want to try this for yourself. If you beauties are interested in trying this out for yourself, you take your cream contour and a small brush that you would use. I'm going to use this kind of, I sound so funny now guys. I didn't anticipate that. So take a very small brush. Actually, I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use a brush with a little bit of an angle on it. So I'm going to go dip right into my cream contour like so. And now she ran the cream contour now down. Now see, I don't feel like this is staying on my nose right. Okay. She ran it down the inner part of the nose. So like, so you're using the tweezer to help you make that perfect line. Oh, that is actually good. And my tweezer is not on good. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not sitting on my nose the best that it could. But I feel like it's not hugging my nose the best. But actually that looks good. I'm really shocked because I feel like my tweezer is crooked or whatnot. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do some more because I really like how the line is really perfect. So there you go with that. Let me take some up just because I feel like, okay, let me see if I feel like if I hold this straight, because I feel like my tweezer is crooked. Yeah, it's better for me. Maybe it's the tweezer. I gotta get a different tweezer. If I hold it straight, because it was kind of going to the side before. So if you guys are at home and if you guys are wanting to try this, I don't know. My tweezer was, I don't know if my nose is crooked or what, but okay, there. Actually the line looks really nice. Okay, so then she took her blending sponge and you just want to blend like, so I'm going on the outer portion of the tweezer now. So outer portion, and then you go over the top too. So let me just hold, because I'm trying to hold the mirror with this hand, but let me go, I like when I hold the tweezer with this hand. So, because then it just maybe my face is oily, but I feel like the tweezer is falling off. So then I'm just pressing it on the inner part of the tweezer. Okay, now let's see. Supposedly you take this off and your contour is gonna be all that. Your nose contour is gonna be, your nose is gonna be snatched. No job with makeup. Let's see, guys, if it worked. It looks kind of iffy. Yeah, that it's a little wonky. Let me just go ahead and blend it out. But actually, what do you guys think? You know what? I don't think that looks half bad. Wow, I'm shocked, you guys. It really does. It really does work. So, what do you beauties think? Was that hack worth it? Do you think my nose looks snatched? Does it look more slimmer? I don't know. What do you guys? I can't really tell myself. So you guys gotta let me know what you think. I think that actually wasn't bad. That was, I don't know. To my eye, though, it does not look bad. I'm really shocked. But I'm definitely gonna get another tweezer just to experiment. I want the one that she had, because she had the one at the drugstore. Maybe that was the perfect tweezer, because maybe these are, you know, not the best. You know, you guys know what I'm saying. I gotta get what she had. So you know what, beauties, and I actually feel like next time I'll be more confident. Also, I can use two hands because my nose was kind of going that side, going to the side. So if I hold the tweezer with one hand instead of holding the mirror, then you can get everything just right. You know, the more you do it, I actually think I will do that again. Because you know, I just felt like it really, you know, made things easier. I just have to be more, you know, next time I do it, I'll be more confident about it. This time I was just like terrified, but next time I'm going to be more confident, you know. So I do think I'm going to do this again. Would you guys try this makeup hack, this TikTok beauty hack? Let me know down below. What do you guys think though? Is it worth it? Is it worth the hassle or what? Let me know what your thoughts and opinions, beauties. And I would love to have a gift card giveaway today. So if you'd like to enter today's giveaway for a $25 Ulta gift card, make sure that you're a subscriber. Don't forget to subscribe. To also give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video and comment down below heart emojis, and this way I know that you want to be entered into today's giveaway. So beauties, let me know what you think of this beauty hack, this TikTok makeup hack, and that's pretty much it. So I love you beauties so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye.